Hey Periscope, it's Chef Darlene and Tasia. You want to say hi, Tasia? Hello. Hello. Alright, so we are doing a burger right there. We have an order for some nachos. We have to start getting ready. Hey, Palette, how are you? I don't know if I said your name right. How you doing? Alright, so we have an order for nachos. I'm gonna start making it. Let me put... They didn't want anything on the burger?
Nothing.
Hey, Trishelle. Nothing? Just a plain, dry... Oh, it's... I know. How are you? You like your plain, dry burger? Alright, no problem. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys. We have our nachos, our like incredible nachos today. It's a big hit for us. So I'm gonna assemble them. I'm gonna have to give the phone to Tasia. I'm trying to put on my glove and hold the phone at the same time. It's not an easy task. Alright. Let's see. Hello.
Hi.
Say hi. You're waiting for your nachos, right?
Yep.
Alright. Hello. Megan. I don't know if I said your name properly, but see, I don't even have my glove on properly. I have to do the order. Okay, so put it in here. Let's see, we have our mound of chips. Then this lovely cheese sauce that we have. So we're going to be pouring the cheese sauce over it. Okay, Libby. Then we're going to do our refried beans that we made today. You said you want everything, right?
Yes.
Okay. And then they're beef nachos, so we have our beef. I was trying, girl. I was trying. Alright. So. Down there? Okay. Alright. We'll put our guac at the side. Is anybody commenting? No? Alright. And then no jalapenos though, right?
No.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
$2, please. Alright. That's our special for today. It's our ultimate nachos. Thank you. Here you go. Do you mind if I get you?
Nope.
Alright, so that's our nachos for today, guys.
They look delicious. Can't wait
you.
to eat them.
Thank you. Alright, guys. There you have it. We have our special for today as our ultimate nachos, or our super nachos. So we'll see what we have for the rest of the week. And you can also visit us on the webpage chefdarleneb.com, chefdarleneb.com, and you can get some of our, thank you for the heart, you can get some of our recipes on there, okay? So have a good day. Take care. Bye.